Enjoy this great oat and banana muffin recipe. It's gluten-free. Enjoy it as a snack or part of a healthy breakfast. Welcome to Homemade Cooking in Texas. I'm Carolyn Gibson from Dogwood Gardens, where homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves money, and tastes great. Come join me today as I share my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become your favorite recipes. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Oat and banana muffins are so easy to make. I've started out with 1.5 cups of mashed bananas, which this was about 4 of them. I'm adding some coconut oil. You can add whatever neutral tasting oil that's good to you. Just don't use olive oil because that would taste terrible. I'm going with a tablespoon of vanilla. I know that sounds like a lot. 1/4 cup of honey. It's always best to put all of your liquids in first. And then I'm going with 2 eggs, 2 cups of rolled oats, and my baking powder, salt, baking soda, and spices. Now I'm just using cinnamon as my spice, but you can certainly use pumpkin pie spice, any type of spices you would like. And now it's just as simple as just putting it on my Ninja blender and blending it for a minute or two till everything is well incorporated. After this has blended for a minute or two, I've poured it into another bowl, and I'm going to add 1 cup of cranberries. Now you could use blueberries, you could use whatever you want, but we really like the cranberries. And I'm just going to blend that in. I'm not trying to beat it, I'm just kind of folding it in. And now I'm going to be ready to put it into my muffin pan. And I like to start out with 1/4 cup measuring cup to get them about the same. Now when I'm doing my muffins, I like to set them on another pan to make it easier taking them in and out of the oven. I've got the oven on 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook them about 20 minutes. Okay, you want to leave them in a muffin tin for about 5 minutes, then turn out on a wire rack. You can serve them while they're warm or let cool completely before refrigerating or freezing. Oats feed your nervous system. The beta-glucan fiber reduces cholesterol, regulates blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. The bananas add even more fiber, also regulating blood sugar. Bananas contain important minerals and vitamins. Bananas have completely stopped my feet from cramping in the evening. The optional licorice root powder is specific for hard, dry stools. Okay, now you can add some boiled eggs to keep it completely healthy, or serve with bacon and eggs instead of toast to make it a little more healthy. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.